The internet has become a great resource for job searching if you are looking to get back into the workforce. The internet also has become a great place for companies to put out their job posting and search for new talents. However, most job searching websites are impersonal. So today I will discuss LinkedIn that combines a job application portal with the social network. I'm Shweta. Today I will explain LinkedIn and why you should use LinkedIn. In this video, I will explain 10 benefits of LinkedIn. Let's start with LinkedIn. So, what exactly is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a top online and social network site designed for career and business professional to connect. The site functions as an online directory of individual professionals and organization and facilitates the process of professional networking without having to leave your office. So you can say LinkedIn is a social media network and it is built for professionals like job seekers, businessmen, professionals, and who are making their skills and want to promote their business online. You can build your social network and connect with your colleagues or with the professional you have worked with earlier. And also, you can connect with people you are working with today and people you can work with in the future. LinkedIn is a great way to build a personal brand for yourself, and it is also a great way to build a company's brand. LinkedIn helps professionals to create new connections for the future and also help business to create new connection for business opportunities, partnerships, and customers. Unlike other social network in which you might become friends with anyone and everyone, LinkedIn is about building a strategic relationship. Thus, the number of connection is less important than the type of connections. LinkedIn stop showing your actual number of connections once you have 500 because it's about quality, not quantity. Now, uh, I will explain basic overview of LinkedIn profile. Here are some of the basic features and these are the main features you will first notice when you get on LinkedIn and sign up for a basic account. First, you will see homepage. Once you have logged in to LinkedIn, the home feed is your news feed, showing recent posts from your connection with other professionals and companies pages you are following. Second one is profile. Your profile shows your name, your photo, your location, your occupation, and more right at the top. Below that, you can customize different sections like a summary, work experience, and other sections similar to how you might create a traditional resume or CV. Third, my network. Here you will find a list of all the professionals you are currently connected with on LinkedIn. You will also be able to see some other options that will allow you to add contacts, find people you may know, and find alumni. Fourth one is jobs. All sorts of job listings are posted on LinkedIn every day by employer and LinkedIn will recommend specific jobs to you based on your current information including your location and optional job preferences that you can fill out to get better job listings. Fifth one is interest. In addition to your connection with professional, you can follow certain interest on LinkedIn as well. Sixth one is search bar. LinkedIn has a powerful search feature that allow you to find specific professional companies, job and more. Seventh one is messages. When you want to start a conversation with another professional, you can do so by sending them a private message through LinkedIn. You can also add attachment including photos and more. Eighth one is notification. Like other social network, LinkedIn has notification feature that lets you know when you have been searched by someone, invited to join something, etc. Ninth one is pending invitation. When other professional invite you to connect with them on LinkedIn, you will receive an. Here I will explain why you should use LinkedIn. So here are 10 ways LinkedIn will help you professionally. Your LinkedIn profile helps put your work experience in front of people looking for it, and it builds trust. Simply, you can say having a profile on LinkedIn is like having an online version of your resume. You can put your work experience in front of people looking for it. LinkedIn offers useful resources for job seekers, providing information, and LinkedIn acts as a billboard to highlight your unique value proposition and making your information public for recruiters who may be looking for what you have to offer. This will give exposure to many more potential employer than distributing resume by hand. Some of the most influential business people in the world, such as Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, have profiles. You can check this. Here is the example. Like example, in the same way that an Uber or Ola cabs give you verification about the person who is going to pick up in the car, you want to know who you are going to hire or do business with or partner within a professional context. Building trust is important for anyone. It can be full-time career chaser, freelancer, and small business owner. So, LinkedIn is also helpful to build a trust. Next one is advertise your company to potential partners. Just like your profile, you can create your company page to advertise about the company to your potential partners. Many famous companies around the world have company page on LinkedIn. They are ready to show themselves off and maybe even hire some new employees. Just for example, you can see the LinkedIn page for top companies like Amazon and Google and many more. Next one is expand your professional network. It is very important to establishing and expanding your professional network. Connect with people you know, either professionally or personally. They might point you towards a job you did like or introduce you to professionals in your field or work. You can do the same for them too. Like example, you can connect with professional network, like I'm taking example of Obama. So you if you want to build connection like politics or political connection, then you can connect people like this. Next one is fourth, show off your credential, qualification, and skills. You can be as detailed as you want about your qualification and skills. Your contacts or your connections can also explore your listed skills, and you can do the same for them. Your abilities look a lot more impressive to potential employer if you have people to vouch for them. Like example, you can I'm taking example of Satya Nadella. Like he is explaining about his experience and other details. You can also fill your details here, so you can show your credential, your qualification and skills here. Next one is hiring happens on LinkedIn. Recruiters and hiring managers use LinkedIn to discover talent, and job seekers can search and apply for jobs directly on LinkedIn. Also, you can view and contact your LinkedIn connection who may be able to refer you for a job. Big and small, both companies post job listing on LinkedIn. So there is an option to choose for both if you are looking to get a job or if you are already running a business and are looking for fresh talent. You can post a job yourself. If you are professional and not on LinkedIn, you nearly don't exist through the eyes of recruiters. You have to create a well made LinkedIn profile as a web developer or related. Recruiters will come to you and design your LinkedIn profile to look like an player. You will start getting attention. Next one is LinkedIn profile will most likely show up first. If you apply to a job anywhere, there is an 80% chance they will Google your name. It's what potential employer and clients will see when they Google your name. Your LinkedIn profile will most likely show up first. Hiring managers, potential clients, business owners, etc. will Google your name. And it's more than likely that your LinkedIn will show up near the top of the results page, which is good thing if you have a good profile. Next one is LinkedIn is the ultimate personal branding tool. For job seeker, uh, business owners, and startup founders, your brand is everything. Networking, who you know, and personal branding, what they know about you, always matters. And LinkedIn is still currently the best and most used tool for managing a personal brand. Building a strong brand or a strong personal brand now will help you thousands of times over when you have your own business or startup, because you will be the face of your business. Don't try to focus on to cut and paste short form of your resume. You have to write your content differently. You have to position yourself. You have to create an engaging profile that makes people want to find out more about you by them trying to either contact with you or connect connect you directly. Have you ever heard the phrase dress for the job you want, not the job you have? The same thing applies, or same thing will work on LinkedIn. Design it for the clients. It means design your profile for clients and jobs you want, not the clients and jobs you already have. Next one, QR code features. The LinkedIn QR code makes it easy to meet someone offline and stay in touch with them on LinkedIn. This feature provides a simple way to find LinkedIn members and then connect with them by quickly scanning a QR code. You can share your QR code through messaging app, email, or add them to website or email signatures, your resume, or even materials like brochure. When people will scan your QR code, your LinkedIn page will open, or your LinkedIn profile will open up on their mobile. This feature allow this feature will allow users to quickly add others as connection on LinkedIn without searching for profiles manually. Next one is the Find Nearby feature. The Find Nearby feature on LinkedIn allows you to start the app and see everyone else who is near you so you can connect with them. Works very well for conferences, trade shows, etc. when you want to connect with like minded people. So, if you are at an event, you can also try using the Find Nearby feature. This tool shows you other LinkedIn members nearby who have been enabled this option. It's a great way for you to engage leads, colleagues, and even influencer at an event you are attending. With this feature, you can find, connect, and build relationship with leads who are within 30 meters of you, enabling you to generate more leads on LinkedIn. To use this feature, you have to press on the My Network option in the top menu. Then at the top menu, you will see Find Nearby option with off mark. Once you press the button, it will turn itself on. Now you will need Bluetooth turned on. Then it will find people in your network who are nearby. Press My Network, Find Nearby, turn on your Bluetooth, accept permissions required by LinkedIn, enable the feature. After that, you enable the Bluetooth sharing. You will see a list of other LinkedIn member nearby who are also using the Find Nearby feature. then you need to simply tap the name of the members you want to review or you want to follow or you want to connect. Now, next one is get involved in LinkedIn. Professional groups. Do an advanced search to identify professional group in your area and get involved. Join groups of people with similar jobs or skills and have discussion with them about professional matters that you care about. This will help expand your network, show your experts, or it will show your experience when you engage in online conversion or conversation and answer questions that come up and possibly connect you to the organization you want to work for in the future. When researching groups, you want to participate in groups that have recent activities, otherwise, you might be wasting your time. If a group does not have daily or regular interaction online, you might get advice on how to take your career to the next level or find a new job that's perfect for you.